step or move has its own mood to portray, whether it is joy, sadness, and more, without any dialogue. Each piece of artwork has its own unfathomable meaning and idea. They speak through and within us. Songs and dances, whether folk or modern, from past to present, are all part of our beautiful culture and rich history. I believe that both the teachers and students work just as hard to prepare their performances. Nakakatuwa at talagang nakakagalak po ng puso at nakakagaan ng damdamin ang ganitong panipoli. So let us ensure that we will be all supportive to all of these wonderful experiences of our learners and give them the full audience they deserve. Let us make our performers and teachers feel very proud of what they have achieved and for sharing us their God-given gifts, their talents and skills. Congratulations, and for all the wonderful and amazing things that we are able to accomplish despite our so busy days. To God be all the glory. Thank you, and God bless everyone.
Yes, let's give a round of applause to our Assistant School Principal for Senior High School Department, Ma'am Kennedy